I didn't see you there. Happy holidays, folks. It's that time of year again. Presents, family gatherings, and those beloved holiday songs.
Hold on there, buddy boy!
Cool, Cousin Arnie. What are you doing here at my commercial taping?
Well, I thought I overheard you say something about beloved holiday songs.
Yeah, on account of the holidays.
Nobody likes holiday songs, really.
What?
They remind us of how terrible our lives are. For instance, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer,
Reminds me that no one likes me.
Silent Night,
I'm all alone.
Feliz Navidad.
I'm getting deported.
So how about something new and more relevant to the holiday season? How about you pick up Sounds of the Holidays, Real Life Edition,
Sounds great.
including such classics as Angry Old Couple Bickering About the Turkey.
You make turkey like you make love. Dry.
And Mommy had too much eggnog.
Santa isn't real, and Mommy's on welfare. I don't know who your father is.
Oh, that's one of my favorites.
Yeah.
But if you order now, you'll get tidbits of the holidays with such classics as
La la la, I can't hear you. I don't have a gay son.
And
Is nobody going to come to my Hanukkah party?
and everyone's favorite Christmas argument.
Cheryl, will you please pass the salt? Why? Is it bland? Oh, you mean our marriage? Yes, it is!
so order now and ring in the holidays exactly as they should be. Fucking hating every minute of it.
Happy holidays, folks.
Oh.